I wanna bake a cake, but I don't wanna be baking on my own. I need help, and I know exactly who I'm gonna ask for assistance. Come on. Hi, Mystery Wheel. Will you help me bake a cake?
No.
Oh, please.
Awesome.
Really? Mystery Wheel and I are ready to bake an epic cake. Here we have 14 ingredients and we're gonna spin the wheel 7 times. We have some basic cake ingredients like flour, eggs, baking powder. But then we also have some yummy extras like sprinkles, and then we have candy melt, we have cookies, anything else that is good here. For example, carrots, like a carrot cake. That sounds pretty nice. But then we also have some yucky ingredients just for funsies. We have mustard, garlic, and chili. First, I'm hoping for some basic ingredients like flour, eggs, baking powder, because otherwise we won't even get a cake. Think about it, if we combine banana, mustard, chili, and sprinkles, what do you get? I have no idea, but definitely not a cake. So we need basics. Wheel of Fortune, take notes. Now what I don't want, my worst ingredient here is garlic, no mustard, chili, mustard. I would say this is my top worst ingredient from here. Mustard, you're not messing with my cake. Okay? Okay? Right. Let's start. Please something basic. Flour, eggs, oil, baking powder, vegetable, mustard! No!
No way!
How could we start with mustard?
No.
You are playing me.
I cannot believe this. No!
Why did we start with
We
mustard?
ruined the cake right at the beginning. What?
Why? It was so close to vegetable oil and even closer to the baking powder. And no, we finished at the mustard. Why? What can we do? I guess we're going for the mustard cake today. I cannot do the whole jar. That would just kill me. Tablespoon of this yuckiness into the cake.
My cake is ruined already.
I hate you and I hate you. Great. We started with the top worst ingredient.
You know what is positive in this story?
That the only way from here is up. We're done with the worst ingredient. We can only do better from now on. And we're gonna do better right now. I got a good feeling. Something good like chocolate, cookies, like flour, cocoa powder. Yay! Cocoa powder and mustard. Sounds delicious. I'm very happy about the cocoa powder. That's a great ingredient. I'm gonna put in about half of this amount. See, our cake is already getting better. I love this game.
I don't know why, but I think we're gonna continue strong.
We're on the good path right now, so please, Wheel of Fortune, be nice. We need eggs, flour, baking powder. That's what we really need. Sprinkles. It wasn't the most needed at this point, but I will take sprinkles over chili, garlic. I'm taking sprinkles any day. I'm happy. Thanks. We have 5 sprinkles options. Which ones would you choose?
I'm thinking this one. This is like the original version. Or maybe this one, because these have chocolate inside. They're like little Smarties, and that would be a nice option too.
I think I'm gonna go for this one because that way we're gonna be keeping the chocolatey theme in our cake. Chocolatey mustard theme. When it goes into the cake, instead of the mustard, we would have the eggs. This would be the perfect cake so far.
I'm disappointed.
Anyway, 3 ingredients down, 2 from the wish list, 1 from the poop list, so I guess we're still doing great. Let's spin the wheel again. We need eggs. No! I am so unlucky today.
Out of 14 ingredients, I managed to get 2 of the 3 worst ingredients.
So close to the flour and yeah, not so close to the cookies, and where are eggs? Far away. Guys, mini Smarties, cocoa powder, mustard, garlic. What is this? It's not a cake. I'm gonna put in 3 of these garlic pieces. This one is so big it barely fits in here. This is gonna be one garlicky cake. I love it. Press well and get all the garlic inside. Thought we're gonna waste this? Oh no.
Mystery Wheel, get it together, please. We need eggs, we need flour, we need cookies. Maybe
Cookies could save it or not. I don't think anything can save it right now, but we're staying positive. Optimism. That's what we need. Eggs and flour. We need that. Yes. Cookies.
Cookies are okay. I take cookies. Cookies are awesome.
I think cookies have such a nice flavor. They have sugar, they have eggs already in there, so they could save this cake. Garlic and mustard. I don't know if this could be saved, but I love this. This smells so good. I have my food processor. I'm gonna put in quite a few of the cookies. Let's put all of them.
We're not gonna waste a good
Jenny, what do you think of our cake? It sucks, right? Okay. You wanna go? I wish I could run away from this recipe as well. Electricity, check. There we go. This will save our cake. I know it. Trust me. Look at it. There's nice cookie crumbles, some chocolate pieces. Yummy. Into the cake. 2 ingredients left. My wish list would be eggs and then baking powder. Or we need some liquid. Milk or oil. Are you taking notes, Wheel of Fortune? I hope you are. Because this is needed. Egg, oil, milk.
The only 3 ingredients that I'm taking from you at this moment.
Flour. I wish to have flour at the beginning, but now we don't need more powdery ingredients, Wheel of Fortune. You are on such a good way to ruin this cake. What are we gonna bake? Powder, some mustard and garlic. I haven't baked many cakes in my life.
But I know that you need some wet ingredients and some dry ingredients.
Otherwise, there is no cake. You know? Anyway.
There is no other way out. We need the oil, we need the milk. Give it to us.
Oil, milk. We need those 2. Candy melts. No. No, we're not gonna have a cake. What to do now? First, let's just mix together what we have here. I mean, it looks like a really nice cake mix. Oh no, I just smelled the mustard. No.
Through the cookies, through the sprinkles, through the candy melts, I smelled
mustard. Or maybe it was garlic. It wasn't nice. We've mixed all the ingredients so they are nice and combined, but we cannot bake this thing. Like, what would happen? It's just dry ingredients. I think this water doesn't count. It's transparent. It's just like air. I can put it in my cake. Tell me I can do this. Please help me save the cake. You agree? It's water. It's like air.
When we're gonna bake the cake, it will actually evaporate and it will be non-existent.
That's a good way to look at it. I'm going for this water. We may actually get a cake. I'm so excited. We're gonna have to use all of this water, I think. Our batter is as good as it's gonna get. I mean, it does not look that bad. It does smell a lot like garlic. I have a little cake tin here and we're gonna put the batter inside. This is the lowest point in my cake baking career. We're not gonna judge it quite yet. We have to still bake it and try. Maybe the garlic and the mustard will disappear in the oven. Without those 2, we would be having an awesome cake right now. So thank you for this, Wheel of Fortune.
Maybe it's nice to bake a cake with a Wheel of Fortune. That way, when you mess up, you're not the responsible, but this guy is.
Let's just smooth it out nicely and our cake is ready for the oven. The cake is now baking, guys. I think I'm gonna leave it there for about 30 minutes. I came out for a little bit of fresh air because that was stressful. And also, we're only halfway through, guys, because we still need to decorate the cake. Yep, once it's baked, we're gonna spin the wheel 7 times again. Alright, my cake is out of the oven and look at her. She doesn't even look that bad. The smell though, it is very garlicky, I'm not gonna lie, but let's open her up. Look at that! Whoa!
Why does this look appetizing?
I don't know. I'm gonna try to transfer it onto this cake plate, so wish me luck. How do we do this? I think we need a knife. I think I should just lift it like this. It could ruin everything right now. This is probably how you should not do it, but it works. This cake looks really amazing. You can see some chocolate chunks and then a little bit of white candy melts. I mean, it looks delicious. This would be a great prank cake. It looks delicious, it smells a bit funny and probably tastes disgusting. What is missing to this cake? Of course, some decorating. We need some frosting, we need something on it to make it look even more
So of course we have 14 options here, and again we're gonna spin the wheel 7 times.
In the ideal world, I would like to start with something like frosting, Nutella, jam, just to, you know, cover the cake a little bit, but we know this is not ideal world, not with these guys, so I'm gonna be happy with anything but olives, onion, ketchup, broccoli, and even pickles. We have quite a few bad ingredients here, guys. My worst one would be onion on a cake. Olives. Olives and onion are just a no-go. Broccoli is not good, but it doesn't have that strong of a taste, so I would deal with it, but these two, no. No, please, no. Let's start decorating. Frosting, Nutella, jam. Please, please, please. Broccoli! No! What is it with today? We always start so bad. we started with mustard and we still got a decent cake out of it. Now you, Wheel of Fortune, you ruin it again for us.
What do we do? Should we just put it on a cake like this? No, right? I'm gonna have to cut it a little bit and then just decorate it.
I'm sad. I'm just gonna cut little pieces of broccoli and put it on a cake, I guess. I mean, it looks pretty, I'm not gonna lie, but we all know how it tastes. That's how it tastes. One more piece and then our broccoli is done. Can we please do something good now? Even though now, what do we do with frosting? Put it all over broccoli? No! We were supposed to get frosting first. Anyway, I'm probably not even getting frosting, so I don't know what the problem is. M&M, marshmallows, just not ketchup. Pickles! No! How pickles? There's so many good ingredients here. Marshmallows, jam, M&M, chocolate coins, magic carpets or whatever they're called.
Frosting and kiwi and Nutella, we have so many good options and you choose
pickles. I love pickles, but not on a cake. He hates me. Really? Why? We could be friends. We could have fun, but no. I'm gonna place them in between the broccolis. Lovely. Why am I still making this cake look okay? Quite pleasant for the eyes. Do we want frosting with broccoli, pickles, and crazy cake? No, but I don't know what else would I want with this. I don't even know what I want. Whatever you want. Look, I'm gonna be relaxed from now on. Berry jam, great. Now, I like this.
Do I like this with broccoli and with pickles?
No. Ooh, that's satisfying pop. This smells delicious, but how do we do that? You know what? I'm gonna put it around. That's a good idea. Yum. I can't wait to dig in. I'm ready for the fourth ingredient. But really, guys, what would you choose from here? Like, what goes with this combination? Nothing. We were so close to the onions, guys, but luckily we got chocolate coins. There we have 1, 2, and 3. We have a little bit of everything. We have pickles, broccoli, jam, chocolate. What else would we need?
Maybe kiwi, and then this crazy cake would be A+.
Well, let's see what's next. Marshmallows or magic carpet or M&M. That would be great choices. Olives. No. Why olives?
We were going strong now with these chocolate coins and the jam, and why ruining it with olives?
Why? Here are the olives. Still, the cake is looking pretty appetizing. I mean, not appetizing, but nice to look at. 2 more ingredients. Marshmallows, magic carpets, kiwi. Kiwi is nice, it's healthy, it's good. Ketchup! No! Why ketchup? I am so unlucky today. I really get all the worst ingredients. How? Why? What did I do to you?
We were so close to marshmallows, but no, you decide ketchup.
I don't understand how this is happening because the majority of ingredients were nice. Only a few were bad, and now I got almost all the bad ingredients. Literally, only onion is left. And I still have 1 spin to do. I'm probably getting an onion. Let's just accept it. I'm gonna make a little curvy line like this. Oh, no. This is so liquid. Forget about the curvy line. This is just like, oh. Let's make the dripping cake. Dripping cake with ketchup. Sounds amazing. Beautiful. A bit rustic, but nice. Okay, shall we go for that onion now? I think we shall. At this point, I don't even care anymore, guys. Peanut butter. Great.
We already have a jelly, so it's gonna be like peanut butter and jelly and broccoli and pickles and mustard and garlic cake. I love this.
Anyway, where should we put the peanut butter? I'm more concerned how to make this cake look a bit presentable because I already know it's gonna taste disgusting. So I think I'm gonna try to put it around again. Okay, let's try. Around like that. Ooh. A little bit over here. Nice. We're done, guys. We did the most epic cake. We may be done with the cake, but we still have to eat this. Obviously, I'm not gonna eat the entire cake, but I am gonna try to eat a big chunk of it. Wish me luck. Let's cut into this beauty. The final step in our cake adventure. We have to eat this. Looking at it, this piece looks so cute. You have your little broccoli, pickle, some ketchup, and peanut butter. What more do you want? Looks very moist as well, and even a bit fluffy. But what if we smell it? Oh, a lot like ketchup. Ketchup and garlic. I don't smell anything else.
We're just gonna have to try it. I'm gonna start here because here I have a little piece of the chocolate coin, which I love.
Ooh, it smells so much like garlic. Let's do it.
It's not as bad as the smoothie last time.
Mind you, I have started on the part with the chocolate coin and I still have to move towards the ketchup, so things can change. The sour pickle and the mustardy cake. No, I don't recommend it. Don't you ever try that. I feel like this one is gonna be even worse. Those 2 bites. I never eat broccoli raw like this. I always cook it, so this is gonna be interesting. I cannot, you guys, this is so crazy. When I put it into my mouth, I just like, we have peanut butter, ketchup, and jam. Almost like a peanut butter jelly sandwich, which, fun fact, I've never tried this
It's
thing.
not popular where I live, and I always thought this combination is a bit weird, so...
Now I'm gonna try it with a bit of ketchup on top. Awesome. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, no. The ketchup is the worst. The ketchup part is the worst. Why did I make it in such a way that I have 3 ketchup bites now?
I'm so stupid.
It's the ketchup,
I
guys.
can take the mustard, I can take the garlic, I can take the broccoli, but...
Ketchup on a cake is just no-go. Something about this combination makes me wanna... I cannot. Okay, I can do this. It's the last one. Let's go. Oh, guys, this was so
I
bad.
said before that this cake is not as bad as the bean smoothie last
I'm
time.
taking it back. This last part of the cake was disgusting. Ketchup on a cake is the worst combination one can think of. How could you think of this? So what have we learned today? When you're baking a cake, take the ketchup far, far away.